Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's Bardo Perez here. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys on how to do normal, uh, normal calculations and statistics. Um, Normal basically is a term that uses in your class you've probably seen this thing before, and this is like the mean, and whatever that's out here are outliers, and you get the idea. And this is what it's talking about, but in this case we're not. If it doesn't give you a graph like this, and it asks you to find the probability of something, that's what we're going to be doing. So I have a problem here. I can't show it to you guys because it's on paper, but I'll just read it to you guys. It says uh, the lengths of human pregnancies are normally distributed with a mean of 268 days. So I have that here. A standard deviation of 15 days, which I have here. And it says, what is the probability of a pregnancy lasting at least 300 days? So at least means at least 300 or more. And if we wanted to make a visual of that, we can do that. So here would be 300 days, right? 300 days. And the standard deviation would be 15. So here would be 315, 330. And you get the idea, it goes reverse this way. So we want the probability of it lasting at least 300, so all of these or more. So basically there's a formula for this, and it is mean minus, actually no, it is not mean. I'm sorry, so just ignore this. It is your x, what you're trying to find. In this case, it is 300 days, minus the mean, which is 268 minus the mean. It's actually very easy to memorize, over standard deviation. That's it. Very simple, and it will give you the probability of whatever that is, right? And you have to be very, very careful right here. So in this case, I'm doing a at least then problem, meaning at least this or greater. Actually, we'll bump into that right now. So let's plug this in. We have 300 minus 268 minus 268 divided by 15, right? That's going to give us 2.13, 2.133, and this is a value, so we have to convert it to a z-score. You probably have a textbook or a sheet or the internet. Just type in z-scored sheet, and it will give you like a z here, and it'll have a bunch of numbers here and numbers here and here. So we're gonna go to 2.1, 2.1 and then 0.3. So 2.1 should be here and then 0.3 on top here, whatever that is. And it should give you 0.9834. Now the thing about z-scores, so this is our z value, and a lot of people make the mistake of thinking this is the answer when it's not. Z-scores only do things that are exacts or at least then. So if it said, or if this problem said least then, said least than 300, like that, then this would be your answer. But it's asking for greater than, and z-scores do not do greater than. So this is the probability that it will be least than, but not greater than. So how do we do that? So this is the probability that that will be least than, but we want greater than. So if it's not least than, then it's greater than. So all we do is subtract it from 1. 1 minus 0.9834, and that gives us 0.0166, and that is 1.6% chance of having a pregnancy lasting 300 or more days. and it's a very small percent, you know. Hopefully that doesn't happen to you because it'd be a pain landing over here, but it does happen to some people, and yeah, very small chance of that happening, but it does happening. It does happen. So, anyways, I hope this video helped, and I'll see you guys later.